According to theory of evolution of a man began billions of years ago. This theory is based upon an idea that all species are related and gradually change over time. Evolutionists believe that all life on Earth, including humanity, shares a last universal common ancestor, Luca, which lived approximately 3.5 billion years ago. Human evolution is divided in many stages. Most important of them are Homo erectus, Homo sapiens Neanderthals, and Homo sapiens sapiens. Without any doubt, all humans are interested in their past, how it all started, how it all began, and how it will end. But theory of evolution either take you in past ranging to billions of years ago or ask you to wait for further billions of years to come. As in the known history of humans, there is no physical evolution. To understand evolution, you either go back believing the scientists or wait for the future again, having a firm belief on scientists. Can we say that evolution theory is also a belief system, calling us to believe in past or to keep us waiting for a distant future?